Welcome to my YouTube channel Astha School Shivahar.
Good morning children. Again we have to read mathematics and now your topic is comparison of numbers. In your previous class you have to read about Indian place value chart and international place value chart, and you also read about how we find Indian place value and how we found international place value. Now your topic is comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers between two numbers, three numbers, etc. We all know the number is a group of digits. You have to compare between these two numbers. Here is two numbers. You have to compare between two numbers which is greater and which is smaller. When we have to compare two numbers, first of all we compare between two digits. We can't compare the digits from here. From here. We have to compare these numbers from a start. We have to start compare from these sides. First of these numbers and first of these numbers. Here is 5 and here is 6. Which one is greater? 5 and between 5 and 6, 6 is greater than 5. So these numbers 65,732 and these numbers are 53,245. 65,732 is greater than 53,245. That is next digit. Here is two numbers and you have to compare between these two numbers. Here is 3 and here is 3. Both are equal. Here is 3 and here is also 3. Both are equal. Here is 2 and here is 2. Both are equal. Here is 5 and here is 6. Which one is greater between 5 and 6? 6 is greater than 5. So 33,267 is greater than 33,256. This symbol is used here. Let's see another example. We have to compare between these two numbers. Here is 5 and here is 5. Both are equal. Here is 0 and here is 5. Which one is greater? 5 is greater than 0. So 55,322 is greater than 50,256. Or we can say that 50,256 is small. 55,321 is greater than 50,256. Another example. Here is 5 and here is 5. Both are equal. Here is 5 and here is 5. These both are also equal. And here is 5, here is 5. These are equal and here is 0 and here is 0. So we can say that both numbers are equal. So we can use this symbol for equal, this symbol for greater than, this symbol for smaller than, and this symbol for equal. And you also know that what is place value and what is face value. Face value of any digit, the number digit itself, and the place value. When we have to find the place value, first of all we have to find the position of that digit. find the place value and place value. When you have to find the place value of any digit, first of all you have to find the position of that digit. Here is some numbers. We have to find out the place value of 3. First of all, we have to draw a chart to find out the place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Here 5 is one's position, and there is 2 for tens, 3 for 100, and 5 for 1000. The position of 3 in this numbers are 100, 3 into 100 equal to 300 is the place value of 3. Another example. You have to find out the place value of 6. First of all, you have to write the position of all digits. The position of 2 is ones, 3 for tens, 7 for 100, and 5 for 1000, and 6 for 10,000. We have to find out the place value of this 6 digit. 6 is in 10,000. The position of 6 is 10,000. So here is the place value of 6. 60,000 is the place value of 6 in this number. Now you have to find the place value of any digit. The place value of any digit, the digit itself. In this example, the place value of 3 is 300, and the place value of 3 is 3. In this example, the place value of 6 is equal to 60,000, and the place value of 6 is equal to 6. You have to find out the place value of any digit, the digit itself. The place value of 4 is equal to 4, the place value of 2 is equal to 2, the place value of 6 is equal to 6, and the place value of 5 is equal to 5. There is no place value and place value of 0. We can't find out the place value and place value of 0. Let's see with an example. You have to find out the place value of 0. 3 in 1 position, 2 in tens, and 0 is 100, and 5 in 12,000 position. The place value of 0 is equal to 0 into 100 equal to 0, and the place value of 0 is also 0. So there is no place value and place value of 0. And what is successor and predecessor? The successor of any number more than 1 digit of it. You have to write the successor of this number, the successor of any numbers more than 1 digit of it. When you have to add 1 in this number, you get the successor of these numbers. 7 plus 1 equal to 8, 5, 6, 7, and 5. This is the successor of this number 57,657, and the successor of this number is 56,658. The number more than 1 digit is the successor of any numbers. Another example. You have to find out the successor of these numbers. You have to add 1 in each, and you get the successor of these numbers. 2 plus 1 equal to 3, 6, 5, and 7. 75,663 is the successor of 25,632. And when we have to find out the predecessor of one number, predecessor of any number, you have to less 1 digit in each. Let's see with an example. You have to find out the predecessor of these numbers. You have to place one digit in it. 1 minus 1 equal to 0, 5, 6, 7 and 5. 57,650 is the predecessor of 57,660, 51. Another example, 62,374. You have to find out the predecessor of these numbers. You have to place one digit in it. 4 minus 1 equal to 3, 7, 3, 2, 6. This is the predecessor of this. 62,373 is the predecessor of 62,374. You all know that what is the comparison of numbers, which number is greater than and which number is smaller than. And now you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order and in descending order. Here are some numbers. You have to write it in ascending order. First of all, you have to compare these digits. Here is 5 and here is 5, here is 6. Which one is greater than? You have to write it in ascending order. In ascending order, you have to write the largest number of any series. Then you have to compare these digits. Here is 5, here is 6 and here is 5, and here is 6. 6 is greater than between these two numbers. So you have to in ascending order. In ascending order you have to write the smallest number. There is 5, here is 5 and here is 6. Here is 7, here is 4 and here is this number is the largest number of this series. Here is 7 and here is 4. 4 is less than 7. So first of all you have to write 54,321 and then 57,630 and lastly 62,321. This is in our ascending order. Let's see with another example. We have to write it in ascending order. You have to compare first digit of any numbers. Here is 6, here is 8 and here is 5. This number is the largest number of this series and this is the smallest number of this series. In ascending order, first of all you have to write the smallest number of any series. Then you have to write 57,621 and then 67,321 and last 89,431. This is in our ascending order. Now you have to write it in descending order. In descending order, you have to write the largest number of any series. You have to compare the digits. Here is 6, here is 4 and here is 5, 6. This is the largest number of this series and this is the smallest number of this series. First of all, you have to write the largest number, 63,241 and then 57,632 and then 4,321. Let's see another example. 32,132, 32,131, 35, 32,130. Which one is the largest of this series? 32,135 is the largest of this series. Guys, you have to compare all digits. All digits are same in this series. Lastly, here is 2 and here is 5 and here is 0. 5 is the greatest number of this series. So 32,135 and then here is 2, 32,132 and lastly 32,132. This is all your chapter.
Thanks for watching this video.